Oh, we're gonna get that in instant replay. So he's got the cash. We're gonna flail that shit in the sky. Just, oh yeah.
Wait.
Let's look at the way it rains. I mean, it's a thunderstorm, and we need a weatherman for this sort of thing. It's the whole thing. Cobalt knows how to make it rain. It's just, oh man. Where's our umbrellas? We need Rihanna or something. That's the whole thing. Yeah, that's right. But we're not done yet. We've got another person who's gonna make it rain here. So this, yeah, get used to seeing money all over the place. I can safely tell you that. We're gonna. So. I'm gonna do